What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. As you can see, we've got some poison ivy lurking in our landscape here. So we're going to try this poison oak and ivy killer from Bonide to see how well it works. A few things before we get started. One, it's supposed to be rainproof in 6 hours. 2, it's not supposed to hurt your lawn. And then 3, it could take up to 4 weeks for it to completely kill the poison ivy. But we're going to test it out. We're going to spray, and we're going to give you clips as the days go by once I start to see some progress with the leaves, and then let you know how well it worked and whether I think this is worth your money. So the beauty of this product is it's just ready to go. You just simply spray the plant. Got it all coated. We're going to come back once we start to see some progress on this thing. All right, so we're 2.5 weeks in, and it looks as if our poison ivy is dead. Now, at this point, we have a decision to make. We can go one of 2 ways. One thing that you can do, and a lot of people do this because they want to remove poison ivy completely from their landscape, is dig up the root. If you're going to do that, make sure you have long sleeves on, gloves, long pants, closed toe shoes, and make sure you wash all that after you dig up your root. Be very careful because the oil that causes the rashes, allergic reactions is still on the plant. It can infect you even when the plant looks dead. I'm not going to do that because the whole point of this video is to test the claim of the product that it kills the poison ivy, and when it kills it, it kills the root as well. So the only way for us to make sure that it actually kills the root is to cut the poison ivy off at the ground and then check back in another 60 days. It's mid to late July right now, so September-ish, we'll check back, make a little video update, see if the root continues to not sprout any new poison ivy weeds, and then probably again in the spring of the following year to see if the root continues to not sprout any weeds. Up until this point, though, the product looks great. It said almost a month to potentially kill this. We're about 2.5 weeks in, and it looks like this. So far, so good. So we're just gonna get some hedge clippers and then just cut the poison ivy right where it pops out of the ground. We're gonna put a little marker in there so I know where to look 60 days from now, and then hopefully about 9 months from now to see if any of the root has resprouted. Again, make sure you're clothed appropriately. Wash everything after you're done doing this. Put the poison ivy weed in a garbage can, throw it away, don't burn it. I would assume most of you would want to do this. That's why you're using this product. That's why you're watching this video. Most people don't want to dig up poison ivy roots. They just want to get rid of the plant by killing it and then removing what's above the soil. We'll check in with you in 60 days, see if the product continues to work. Thanks for watching, everybody.